Welcome back to English Education. Today's topic is vocabulary related to clothes and dresses. So let's begin. Bistar, bed. Chadar, bed cover or sheet. Angiya, bodies. Kambal, blanket. Pajama, breeches. Kinari, border. Button, button. Peti, belt. Topi, cap. Kapda, cloth. Crepe, crepe. Canvas, canvas. Coat, coat. Takiya, cushion. Jali, gauze. Dastane, gloves. Topi, hat. Knicker, half pant. Rumal, handkerchief. Feeta, lace. Gulband, muffler. Jeb, pocket. Kameez, shirt. Asteen, sleeve. Dupatta, scarf. Shawl, shawl. Moza, stockings or socks. Dhaga, thread. Tauliya, towel. Dastar, turban. Ghungat, veil. Makhmal, velvet. Un, wool.